Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I'll show you how to use Google Assistant without unlocking your screen. First I will have to unlock our phone. Now let's go to Settings. Scroll down again and press the Settings button here. Now in Settings, scroll all the way down to the Google section. In here, we're looking for Settings for Google Apps. Then click Search Assistant and Voice. And then click on Google Assistant. Then find the lock screen here. It can be in popular settings, or just scroll down until you find it somewhere at the bottom. Here it is. It's not actually at the bottom, it's here. Press Yes, I'm in. And now let's see. You do have to set up voice recognition for Google Assistant, but it works. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos. Leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.